And here we have the Timelink 82032 large LCD display dual alarm clock with Smartlite Technology. Smartlite Technology allows the backlight to come on automatically as the room darkens. There's an adjustable brightness control for the backlight so you can set the light to your liking. Bright blue backlight on demand, large 1.2-inch LCD time display, dual independent alarms, alarm setting display for each alarm, simple setting controls, large easy to use alarm setting buttons. Fully battery powered, requires 3 AA batteries, not included. Quality by Timelink.